So I'm in Jamaica surveying my property, looking at my fruit trees, and while walking towards my home, guess what I saw? You want to see it? Look here. This is what I saw. I saw a young pumpkin on the vine. Nature in all its glory. I pray it grows to a big, fit pumpkin and I get to taste it. And there are many more blossoms on the tree. Maybe there are many more pumpkins. This pumpkin was growing in the path, somebody stepped on it. But look here, we see a pumpkin, young pumpkin growing as well. So I moved it out of the path so it can not grow in the walkway. All right, God is so good. I did not anticipate this at all. The recent Hurricane Beryl, had damaged this breadfruit tree, but it's springing up back nicely. And here we have the June plum tree. This is a agricultural June plum. They don't bear as big as the natural June plums. But I love it so much, I had to get one, agricultural or natural. Did I tell you the story of what happened to me when I was younger climbing a June plum tree? Well, needless to say, I broke my wrist over one June plum, one yellow juicy June plum. Do you want to hear the story? Well, let me tell you the story. I was 16 or 17, attending Manning's High School in Westmoreland, Jamaica. One day I decided to stay home without my mother's permission, and I decided to climb the June plum tree. Now, June plum is one of my favorite fruits, especially when they are turned or ripe. I looked up in the tree and I saw a turned June plum in the tree. You would think that I would get a stick and try to pick it, but no. I decided to climb the tree. What do you think happened when I climbed the tree? So I climbed the tree, you know, mounted the trunk, went up into the tree, saw the June plum I wanted on a limb, and I stretched towards the June plum on the limb, like I'm stretching towards this June plum. Yes? And when I thought I grabbed the plum, I felt the limb underneath my feet begin to break. I was trying to turn back and hoping to grab the plum, but it was too late. I fell on the ground, on my bottom, and on this wrist. What do you think happened? This left wrist here, it got fractured. It didn't quite break, but it cracked. And, I had to have it in cast for 6 weeks, and the rest is history. Now, as I continue this backyard farm tour, I'm introducing you to the star fruit. Have you ever eaten this fruit? Mmm. Mmm. Nice, juicy, succulent, refreshing, delicious. Those are just some adjectives I would use to describe the star fruit tree. All right, so I'm describing the tree and the fruit. Let me see if I can pick one right here. Yep, I just picked this one. Yeah, I'm in Jamaica. Where are you? Mm. I'm in Jamaica. Where are you? Mm. My mother asked me to pick some for her, so like a good son, I'm gonna obey and I'm gonna get a picking right now. No delay. Alright, so that's it guys. I have picked. I'm gonna go for a container and get some more. But notice the fruit. Some people call it China plum. I think the correct name is star fruit. What do you call it? So guys, this is what I'll be taking to my house to prepare for my mom. Says she wants me to cut them up and de-seed them and salt them and let her have them. So I'm gonna do it for her. Guys, it's raining. I have this machete in my hand. I'm gonna cut the sugar cane. Guys, but it's in a swamp. How would you handle it? You have any advice for me? There we have it. That's the sugar cane. Only managed to pick one. Time is rainy and where it's planted is very swampy. Alright, so I'm gonna harvest this and clean him up and package him for my mom. Guess I'm a mama's boy.